Welcome to Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. And today we're going to be making an easy, no-bake cheesecake. Now I know what you're thinking. Giuseppe, haven't you already made a cheesecake? You're right. But the thing is, I got some mail regarding that recipe, and some people said it was too difficult. So this one is going to be nice and easy. Alright, so in terms of ingredients, you're going to need the following. You're going to need a half cup of sugar, a cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese. You gotta let that sit on the counter to get nice and warm. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You're gonna need a pre-made 9-inch graham cracker crust pie dish. You're gonna need some chocolate and strawberries for your toppings. And you're gonna need some Cool Whip. Alright folks, so in terms of the hardware, you're gonna need the following. You're gonna need a spoon. You're gonna need a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon and a half cup measuring spoon. You're gonna need a beater, a mixer if you would. Something to whip your cream. For your toppings, if you're doing chocolate, you might want a microplane so you can shave it, but you could also use like a cheese grater probably. And finally, you're going to combine it all in one large bowl. As always, folks, step number 1 is going to be wash your hands. Go ahead, turn your sink on, stick your mitts underneath and get them nice and moist. Flick them out, add some of that delicious soap. Rub it all around your hands, stick it back underneath, and wash the soap off. It's that simple. Once you're all done, you can turn your water off, flick your fingers out, grab yourself a nice little towel, wash it and dry your hands off, and then you're ready to cook. Alright folks, step number 2 is going to be whip your cream cheese. So go ahead. Open your cream cheese up. 1 bar of it should be thereabouts 8 ounces, so that's exactly what you need. Open up your bar, plop it into your bowl. Delicious. Get rid of the wrapper when you're done with that. Plug in your beater and start whipping your cream cheese. Once you feel your cream cheese is sufficiently whipped, you can move on to the next step. Alright folks, now that you've blended your cream cheese until it's smooth, you're going to move on to the next step, which is going to be blend in half a cup of sugar. So go ahead, add the sugar, and blend her up. It's really coming together, folks. Alright folks, moving on from your sugar, the next ingredient you're going to add is going to be your vanilla and your sour cream. This is going to be step number 4. Alright, so you're going to need 1 cup of sour cream and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So go ahead and add those ingredients. Once you've added, resume the blending, and you can continue with the recipe. Alright folks, in terms of the batter for the cheesecake, you're going to add your final ingredient, which is going to be 8 ounces of Cool Whip. So go ahead, open your Cool Whip up, open it up, grab yourself a nice little spooneroni, and take all that Cool Whip and get it into the batter. Delicious. Alright, once all your Cool Whip is in, you're going to use the spoon to fold it into the mixture instead of blending it in. So what that means is you're just going to go underneath and bring it over. Underneath and bring it over in a nice, not stirring fashion. You're going to want to be careful about getting it in there. You don't want to make the air go out of it, which is why you fold it in. And once you feel your Cool Whip has been sufficiently folded in, you just put it right in your pie dish. Alright folks, once your batter is all done, you're just going to spoon it into your pie crust. So, start moving it, migrating it if you would. Make sure you get it all off the sides there. And once you've got it in the pie dish, you can just smooth it out over the top. Alright folks, now that your cheesecake is all done, we're going to work on the toppings. So what I recommend is that you just cut up some strawberries and throw them on the top and shave some chocolate over it. So for the next few minutes, I'm just going to cut up some strawberries. Alright folks, these strawberries are nice and cut up, and we're going to shave this chocolate over the top. So it's time to move on to step number 6, which is going to be topping your cheesecake. So go ahead, take your strawberries, start placing them on in a lovely fashion. Make a pattern if you want. I'm perhaps not the most artistic person in the world, so mine will be a little simplistic, but... Alright, so go ahead and grab your cheese, not your cheese, what is this? Go ahead and grab your chocolate. Slid right out of there. Unfold it. Go ahead, break yourself some chocolate. Break it again this way, I guess. Stack them on top of each other and start shaving. Alright folks, moving on to the final step, what you're going to have to do is refrigerate this bad boy for 4 to 5 hours. Overnight also works. So go ahead, stick it in your fridge, and when you wait 5 hours, you'll be ready to eat it. Alright folks, now you've made the easiest cheesecake possible. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, and you like the content on my channel, feel free to subscribe, like the videos, leave comments. If there's anything you want to see on the show at any point, reach out to me, comment on the video, text me, send a carrier pigeon, whatever works. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Bye-bye now.